Hello my dears, here's Sally, and today we are doing a pranayama Anuloma Viloma breathing technique. Why? Because it has so many beautiful benefits to connect the left and right brain, to calm down your nervous system, to relieve tension, stress and anxiety. And actually it's mind-blowing for your concentration, for cleansing, and it's also really good for headache. So what are you waiting for? To sit really comfortable today, you can roll your mat. Or you can grab a coconut to sit higher. You don't have a coconut? Don't worry, you can also take a pillow or a blanket or whatever you have at home. Your feet are parallel to the ground and you can press your pinky toes down. Or you can even sit on a chair, whatever feels good for you today. So your spine is long and elongated. Choose your position and really ground here. Dive into your seat. And from your lower spine, as the inhale, rise up vertebra by vertebra, inside. Elongate yourself. And when you reach the head, relax your face. Close your eyes and connect to your breathing. How is your breath flowing in and out? Get aware of it. To connect on a deeper level, describe your breath. Is it quick or calm? Is it soft or energetic? Is it flat or is it a really deep breath? Feel it. Everything is okay. You don't need to judge. Just be aware of your breathing. Where do you feel your breath? Now, when you're totally aware of your natural breathing, we want to start with the alternative nostril breathing, Anuloma Viloma Pranayama or Nadishodhana. There are three options. You can make a peace sign. To close your left and right nostril, you use the index finger or the middle finger. Or you put both of those fingers in the middle of your hand and you use the thumb and the ring finger to close and open. Or the third option is ring finger and middle finger on your third eye, on your forehead, and the same with thumb and with the ring finger you close and open. Choose yours. For stability, the last one is the best. We start directly with closing the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Exhale through the right. Change your fingers. Inhale through the right again. And exhale on the left side. One round. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right, exhale on the left. With your natural breathing, inhale left, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. Find your own rhythm. From your natural breathing, there's now the more controlling of your breath. What is happening inside of you when you start to control your breath in a soft way? Just get aware of it. Maybe this is all you are doing today. Maybe this is already enough. If not, you can join me for the next level. When you inhale next time to the left, we start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale on the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale on the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale on the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale on the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If 5 is too much, choose a number from 3 to 6. Don't go over 6 at the beginning. Let it really come from your natural breathing. Just support your natural breath. Get synchronicity. Get balance and harmony through your counting. If this feels really good and you want to dive even deeper, start. Hold your breath in between. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold as long as it feels comfortable. You can even count. And exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold as long as it's comfortable. Inhale on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold again as long as it's comfortable. And then exhale on the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold as long as it's comfortable. And inhale again from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold as long as it feels good. And exhale on the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. And inhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And exhale on the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold and continue in your own rhythm. Next time you exhale on the left side, relax your hand. Continue just with a mental Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Inhale through the left, 25. Exhale through the right, 24. Inhale through the right, 23. Exhale through the left, 22. Inhale through both and exhale both, 21. If your counting is not right anymore, start from the beginning. Inhale left, 20. Exhale right, 19. Inhale right, 18. Exhale left, 17. Inhale and exhale both, 16. Inhale left, 15. Exhale right, 14. Inhale right, 13. Exhale left, 12. Inhale and exhale both nostrils, 11. Inhale left, 10. Exhale right, 9. Inhale right, 8. Exhale left, 7. Inhale and exhale both, 6. Inhale left, 5. Exhale right, 4. Inhale right, 3. Exhale left, 2. Inhale and exhale, 1. Relax your counting. Come back to a normal breathing and feel inside what changed. Can you already feel the benefits of Anuloma Viloma Pranayama? Thank you for your time. Thank you for your trust and for your energy. If you like the video, feel free to share it with a friend. Namaste.